Hi guys, welcome to 2025. Happy New Year to you, my subscribers. Happy New Year to you, my friends. I call you my friends because we share this space. This is 2025 and I know it has begun with our New Year resolutions on what we want to achieve this year. Make sure your plans are in order and also do not forget to work hard towards achieving these plans which you have put in place. There is no other magic in achieving these goals other than working hard. So I encourage you that as it is the beginning of the year, make sure you work very hard to achieve these goals. As our own New Year resolutions, before we begin any video, we are going to have some motivational quotes. These quotes are going to help you in your day-to-day life. It's going to help you know yourself more better and know your relationship with other people. Today's quote is all about maturity. Stop expecting people to know better because of their age. Maturity is a choice. Maturity doesn't come as a result of being older. Maturity comes as a result of being self-aware, choosing to learn, and being intentional about your action. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is MAMA-MYLES, and on this channel we talk about lifestyle, fashion, beauty, vlogs. We do a little bit of everything, so just go ahead and subscribe to this channel because definitely there's something for you. In the last part of last year, I decided to be a better version of myself. I decided to be an elegant lady. I decided to learn tips and tricks on how you can be an elegant lady. And I have been sharing some of these tips on this channel, and this year I will continue sharing these tips. The essence of this is that I want us, not just me, I want us to grow together to become that elegant lady that we want to be. So on today's video, I'll be giving you tips on how you can be an elegant lady this 2025. These are just some simple tips that we can put in place, we can put in practice, and we can become better version of ourselves. Becoming elegant isn't just about a lady. Even men too, you need to be elegant, because it won't make any sense if your lady is very elegant, dressing very classy, and you the man are just dressing anyhow. Myself, I'm not sure I'll be comfortable working with you. So being elegant isn't just about a lady, also it's about men. Men, you need to do better, you need to step up your game, you need to look good, you need to look classy so that you can be able to compliment that lady once you guys step out. So on today's video, I'll be giving you some simple tips and tricks on how you can become that elegant lady or that elegant man this 2025. If you are interested in this kind of video, do not forget to keep on watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think these tips actually worked, or have you been trying these tips? And if you have been trying these tips, how has it been for you? Because these are the tips I tried in the last part of 2024 and it has been amazing. If you look at me now and you look at me in last year or the first part of last year, you will notice these are two completely different people. Even the way I talk, I've actually changed the way I talk. I know the change hasn't come completely, but I'm still in the process. That's why I want you to join me in this process so that we all can become elegant lady and look good, classy, and chic. So let's begin with the first point. The first point I'll be giving today is about self-care. The last part of 2024, I decided to take my skincare seriously and it has been amazing. It has been a game changer for me, and I've been wondering, why haven't I been doing this thing all this while? Because I'm one kind of person that I don't really care about skincare. Before last year, before the last part of last year, I didn't really care about skincare. Once I have my body lotion and my bathing soap, that is it. So the last part of last year, I decided, okay, let me take my skincare very serious, and it has been amazing. If you look at my skin, I think this camera isn't doing justice. If you look at my skin physically, you will confirm that, yeah, I'm doing actually a great job. And this isn't stressful, and it is not very expensive like we always think. So my first point is skincare. Make sure you have a consistent skincare routine that you're going to follow, that is going to help to nourish your skin, make your skin look good. Trust me, if you have a good skin, this brings confidence once you step outside, because you know your skin is good, you have a perfect skin. So automatically you'll be confident moving outside. No matter what kind of outfit you put on, you know your skin is giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, so the first point is about skincare. And when we talk about skincare, it doesn't mean just your skincare. You need to also include your nails, you need to include your hair. For ladies, you include your hair. Even for men, why not, you include your hair. So make sure for your manicure and pedicure, make sure you have a schedule on how you should be able to do it, whether once a month or twice a month. It all depends on you and on how you're going to do it. So just make sure you have a consistent skincare or a consistent program in which you are going to follow for all of these. And trust me, by the end of some months or by the end of the year, you will notice there is a great improvement in yourself. And there is nothing as good as being confident in yourself. Once you're confident in yourself, trust me, you can get anywhere and you can do whatsoever you want, because you know at the back of your mind that your skin is giving what it's supposed to give, your hair is in check, and your nails are on point. So nobody can tell you anything, okay? So let's move to the next point. The next point we have on our list is about our dressing, on the kind of outfit we want to put on. You're not dressing just because it's a trend or because you saw someone having that cloth, that's why you're going into dress. No, you need to dress based on your body shape and your body size. I have made videos on different body shapes and body size and how you can be able to style these body shapes and body size. So if you don't know what body shape you are, just go down below. You're going to see videos on body shape and body sizes for different body shapes, and there you can be able to determine what body shape and body size you find yourself in. These are just the basic body shapes which I have shared in my channel, and I'm sure most people fall within this body shape. If you want to get detailed into it, there are different other body shapes, but these are just the main one, the basic ones. Okay, so you want to check that video. Back to what I was saying, you need to know how to dress for your body shape. Let's be an apple body shape and you're dressing like an hourglass body shape. Make sure you pick outfits that flatters your silhouette, that balance your look. So that is why knowing your body shape and your body size is very important. Now we are going to move to the next point on how you can become an elegant lady this 2025. The next point we have is to engage in exercise. Physical exercise are healthy for your body, so you want to engage yourself in some physical exercise. This is going to depend on what kind of exercise you like to do. Even if it's just walking around, like just walking around your area, it has some benefit on your body. So you want to engage in some physical exercise, and this is going to help you stay healthy. Make sure the exercise you're going to choose, you are very much consistent in this exercise. Now let's move to the next one. The next one you want to put into consideration if you intend to be an elegant lady this 2025 is to cut down on your alcohol intake. There are some ladies who take alcohol for different reasons. Some is just for enjoyment, some is because maybe they are going through something and they decide to take alcohol. Taking alcohol, if you're going through a problem, isn't a solution. It's just a temporary solution, but once the alcohol is over, that problem is still going to be. So taking alcohol is never a solution if you have a problem. So if you're someone who consumes alcohol, make sure you cut your intake on alcohol. Excess alcohol isn't good at all for you as an elegant lady, because you know how alcohol has a way of making some people behave. You can misbehave at any point in time once you are taking alcohol. So you want to make sure you cut down your alcohol intake. And now let's talk on the last point. The last point we have on our list is to focus more on God. If you want to be an elegant lady, you need to make sure you put the things of God as your top priority. Make sure you pray, make sure you go to church, make sure you communicate with God, make sure you have a one-on-one relationship with God. And this is just going to cover up everything. It's going to make you be that elegant lady that you've always wanted to be. These are the tips I have for now. If you have other tips, do not forget to leave it in the comment section. What other tips will you include in these ones that I have shared? And also, if I have other tips in future, obviously I'm going to share, because you guys are my family and I want us to grow together. So guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment and share this video. Thank you. Bye.